Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what you can see that natural gas is currently trading at around $5.6. Okay, and we have seen a sharp fall. And I have already told you that if there is a doji candle forming and the other candle, whether it's green or blue, we can see if there is green, a probability of further upside will be there. If there is red candle, a further downside we can see. But this is again a probability. You have to backtest this how the trend is going. There is a swing it has created, and if you have checked my previous video, I have categorically told you that a probability of going further down is there. Okay, and if you look at the chart as of now also, 5.4 is a weak support, so probability will be again a very high. It can touch a level of 5.351 and then further down. Okay, why I'm telling you, because there is a continuous fall in the price of natural gas. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now you look at the chart, and I have already explained you that few points. Again I am repeating it, that 4.9 was a strong support when the price was moving upside. Resistance when the price was moving upside. Now it has become a support, $4.9. Before that, what we have seen, 6.5 was a strong support when the price was coming down. Okay, now as of now we can see 5.3 is a strong support as the price is coming down now. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart for the next week, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can come down to a level of $5.3, because 5.4 is again a support which is already a weak support, so probability will be very high. We can see it can touch a level of $4.9 if 5.3 didn't sustain. Okay, and suppose the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.7. okay, and if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.48, and if that also goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.4. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.072. okay, once the price goes below this particular level, we can see a level of $3.8 and then further down. Okay, now you have to understand something. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $5.8, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $5.94. Suppose if the price goes up above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $6. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $6.3. okay, and this particular level is already being tested twice, so probability will be very high. We can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $6.570. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.2, and if that goes upside, a probability of touching further upside to a level of 7.56 is very high. Okay, once the price goes above 7.56, we can see it can touch a level of $8.193, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.7. okay, again I repeat, if there is a probability of sustaining, if it sustain above a level of 5.9, then we can see a probability of touching $6.5. Once 6.5 sustain, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 6.9, and from there we can see a level of 7.4. Once it sustain above a level of 7.4, a probability of touching further upside towards a level of 8.193 is there, and it can move further upside. But if that level didn't sustain, a probability of touching 5.3 is very high. It can touch this particular level 5.3, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 4.780. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 4.489, and from there we can see it can move to a level of $4.114. Suppose the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3.9 also. Okay, now you have to Trading, you have to be careful because most of the people lose money in trading. What I teach in my workshop, that if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Risk 0.5 to 1%. Okay, so that is $1,050 to $100. So if you take 5 trades, your risk is $500. That is 100 per trade. If you lose all 5 trades, you know your risk is $500. You exit the trade for the day once you reach $500. So you can focus more on profit the next day. Okay, what people do is they lose so much money in the first day, they try to recover it the next day, thus they lose their full capital. Okay, this is what you have to understand here. What I teach, that how to overcome all these problems, how to strategize your trade, when to enter, when to exit, and how to psychologically handle the trades. Okay, if you like the if you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings, and then we can work out how you can execute your trades. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.